Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe XD and prototype interactive UX flows detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe XD, first, visit the Adobe website. Locate the products menu on the home page. From the drop-down, select Adobe XD. Click on the free trial or buy now button. You will be prompted to sign in to your Adobe account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, the download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click on the link provided to initiate the download. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open Adobe XD from your Applications menu. Now, let's start creating an interactive prototype. Begin by selecting New File from the main menu. Choose the appropriate device preset for your design. You'll see a blank canvas ready for your design. Use the tools on the left to add shapes, text, and images. Once you've created your screens, it's time to link them. Select an object you want to use as a trigger for navigation. In the right panel, find the Prototype tab. Drag the arrow from the selected object to the target artboard. Set the transition type and duration for the interaction. Continue this process for all navigation points in your prototype. To preview your prototype, click the play icon in the upper right corner. This opens a new window where you can interact with your design. Test your flows to ensure all interactions are functioning as intended. If any adjustments are needed, return to the design view and make changes. Once satisfied, you can share your prototype with others. To share, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.